Good morning, evening, day, whatever you are in the world. And be welcome over here. Welcome. We're gonna do an educational vid today. So we're gonna talk a bit about the markets, about Bitcoin, the dump that we saw yesterday, why, the hows, and the whens. And I think this will be a vid a lot of retail are going to appreciate because this is going to be a wild one. So that's what we're going to talk about. A lot of crypto. There's also a lot going on with the financial markets. The Wall Street is going bananas based on the CPI reports of yesterday. Also going to talk a bit about leverage trading, because the team is pushing me a bit to do the vid, and I'm just too busy because I have to take my time for the leverage vid. That's a vid that I have to prepare. It's not a vid that I can do just like I do these vids. So they're also waiting because the Maxi trading group, it's growing, but they are waiting for to get to a certain point, and they will. Well, in the TG group, we will contact the ones that are in the Maxi trading group, and well, the action is going to start over there. And about Maxi, I'm getting so much questions about this, guys. I'm going to be very clear, short and clear. Maxi Global. Why did I partner up with Maxi? Not because they reached out to me, not because whatever. I partnered up with Maxi because they have got the lowest trading fees available in the crypto markets. End of story. And by far. And I have to say, since I partnered up with Maxi, I'm getting destroyed in my DMs by other exchanges. You guys all know them. And they are all asking me, MB, could you, why don't you come partner up with us? Why don't you come partner up with us? And I've got just one question to all the exchanges, and I've even shared the DMs in my TG group. It's not, I didn't show names or whoever it was, because I respect everyone that his privacy. I respect. I will never show who it was, but I've shared the messages. And my question is, I don't give a damn about money offers, about commission offers, about whatever you're offering me, because that's what they tell you. We're gonna give you an X amount to partner up with us, and etc. and commissions and whatever. Guys, I don't give a damn about that. My question to them is, can you compete with the fees Maxi is offering? Can you offer the same or even less to share to my community? Because it's all about trading fees. Well, all of them acknowledge that Maxi is the cheapest one, and they say we cannot compete to that. We can give you like nice bonuses or whatever to share with your community. I don't give a damn about those bonuses. Trading fees. So guys, if you want to join the Maxi Global Trading Group, there is a link in my bio on Twitter. There's a link below. Come join us. When the group gets big enough, we're gonna start the trading challenges. So okay, enough about that. Let's dive in. Okay guys, I want to show you guys this chart. I'm gonna start with this chart. Why am I going to start with this chart? I shared this chart like I don't know, 1 week ago or something like that, and we had this resistance level at the 36.2. And I was we were getting rejected over here. We came down to the 33k level, so the ones that are trading the team shorted the shit out of this. Then what I was always also telling you, there is a lot of buy pressure on Bitcoin. So a lot of pressure on Bitcoin, and what happened, they pushed it up again and they broke it. But when they broke it, I was also on Twitter telling you guys, I'm not so excited. Why am I not excited? I told you, normally when a breakout like this one, because this one was from 22, so a break from this rising wedge should be a move of 3, 4, 5k. Should be, because it's a huge one. But I was not excited, because when we broke out, I told you, I shared, Wales, congratulations, you have broken the resistance level. But I shared this chart, exactly this chart. I also made a video about this. So we finally reached to the real resistance, and these are liquidity levels, and I showed them here in these boxes. You can see it very good. There's a lot of price action going on over here, a lot. I think, let me see, maybe this region also a bit, this one over here, the 50 to the 40k, but this is maybe the most liquidity is all over here. So it will be very, very, very hard to just break through. It's really hard. So I was telling you, you have to be really cautious over here. You have to be really cautious in this red box. And yesterday we started dumping. Why did we start dumping? The past weeks, months, I've been explaining you guys that, in my opinion, I don't know who these guys are, but it looks like the real degens, the real big money, smart money. Degens, they are the reason why Bitcoin was lagging behind the past year is because of a lot of money from crypto skipped to AI stocks. That's what I've been telling you. And that was also the reason why Bitcoin was really dying over here. It wasn't doing nothing. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, with the CPI numbers came in at 3.2, and people are, oh my God, we're going to the moon, and the Fed is going to cut, and it's going to happen, and we finally managed, etc. What happened is that they started pumping the AI again. And I think, this is my personal opinion, I think, and it has proven me right the past months, I think that money was getting out. People with the smart money was taking profits from Bitcoin and buying in again, trading or buying whatever in AI stocks. This is what happened in my opinion. So this is one of the reasons why I think Bitcoin dumped. This is number one. Number two is I've shared a chart. I really don't know where this chart is. It's not this chart. Yes, I wanted to show you guys something else. Why is it so important that we also check the Heikin-Ashi candles? Look at this chart. We've got this chart over here. That's the same like the other one, and we broke out over here. Okay. Let's use the Heikin-Ashi candles. Do you see what I'm seeing? It did not break out yet. You just get spikes over here and then it comes back. So it's very important that you also check the Heikin-Ashi candles. But this is not what I wanted to talk about, and this is also not the chart that I've been looking to find, you guys. No, this was just it. I really don't know where the... But the chart that is pinned on my Twitter tweet about the 40%, the 40% that we had over was it the 40% that we had on this rise? It was, yes, this rise the 40% and the 40% with the wars. Guys, there are a lot of theories in the world going on, and I share this tweet, and for now it's working out perfectly. So it's just a theory, but come on, just look at it. It's really mind-blowing. It's really mind-blowing. I really don't know what to say about it. It's really mind-blowing. So let's go on and see where Bitcoin is gonna get some support. And let me put it on. I'm just charting it with you guys. Let's put on the indicator on the daily. As you can see, let me put on the normal candles. Look at it. We closed yesterday. We went down on the indicator. Look at it. We closed above it. And as you can see, then we came down again. We retested it. So this is on the higher time frame very bullish for Bitcoin. So we didn't lose the indicator on the daily yet, and we just came back. And as you can see, we went up. This was over here at the 27k levels, and then boom, and finally we came down and we're retesting it. So this is something very important to keep a track on. What is going to happen? are we going to lose this one or not? Because if we would lose the indicator on the daily, yeah, that could push bears to push it lower. But now the most important thing I think in this whole vid is this. This is the most important thing I wanted to share in this vid. The Bitcoin shorts. The Bitcoin Bitfinex shorts. And I've got some questions about this the past weeks. And a lot of people tell me, wait a minute, Ambi, why do you keep sharing this chart with us? Just look at it for a moment. The reason why is this, because over here, and if you are a new viewer or new Twitter follower, over here it was the same. We came down here and I was tweeting about it. By the way, it's all on my Twitter, I never removed it. So over here I was saying, listen guys, we came back to the bottom range of the Bitfinex forward. But someone told me, wait a minute, why do we care about Bitfinex shorts? Why? Because Bitfinex shorts, the wheels are over there. That's why I follow Bitfinex shorts. If I would go to much bigger exchanges, there are a lot of retailers over there. There are like 3 exchanges which I follow where I know the wheels are over there. Because the wheels are in like 3 exchanges. And there is one big wheel, he's operating on other exchanges to do his thing, but that's I don't want to go into details because maybe my YouTube vid will get blocked. I cannot name any names because it happened before. I named something and they blocked me directly. So why am I showing you guys this? I was showing you guys here. Watch out, watch out. We're gonna get a dump. We're gonna get a dump. The shorts will get opened, But you have to be patient. This is something you have to watch on higher time frames. You don't know when it happens. When it happens, it happens. But just be careful. Give it time. Don't over leverage yourself. And over here, it was an accumulation, and then boom, shorts opened, Bitcoin dumped. Over here in 21, it was the same. I was also trading this like hell. Over here I traded this also. So this is why this chart is helping me, because when you see this thing coming up, this is where you can be bullish on Bitcoin in the hope that this thing will come down again. So when this thing starts coming down is when Bitcoin will pump the hardest. So again, so you guys understand, this is showing us, the only thing this chart shows us are, in my opinion, wheels that are opening or closing shorts, because you can also open up the longs, but the longs, I don't really care a lot about the longs. Why do I not care a lot about the longs? Because the long is not showing me a lot of data. Over here a lot of longs got closed. We came here and now let me see how is it looking now. Listen, I made this chart, I don't know, months ago. I made this one. If this thing will come in the range of this level, I will be super bullish on Bitcoin. Super bullish on Bitcoin. So just like I am super bearish on Bitcoin when it gets to these levels, I would be super bullish on Bitcoin if it would reach these levels. So this is something, guys, you have to really I know it's not that easy, but you have to see it on the macro. You have to see it on the bigger picture, because when you're trading like some shitcoin or some altcoin or some Bitcoin price based on a 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 50-minute charts, on 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, it's different. You have to see that the bigger picture. For me, it's, let me tell you how the team does it. The team, MB, Will Killer, shares this chart. Wait a minute, we're back here. They start slowly, DCA, accumulating shorts, just like the wheels do. They start slowly accumulating their shorts, and then at some point, boom. Over here it's the same. We didn't have the boom yet. It didn't happen yet, so we're here. And by the way, guys, if we would lose this level and we will dump down, this is obviously super bullish for Bitcoin, because it means that the whales have given up on their shorts, and we're gonna get another low. But as long as this level is holding, I'm holding also. So the team is accumulating slowly, DCA, 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 shorts, and when we get a dump, they sell, they take profits. I didn't share their P&Ls yesterday, but they made those P&Ls, because you have to, in the leverage, guys, I'm gonna make this leverage trading, you have to give me a bit of time because I have to prepare it very good. In leverage trading, I wouldn't recommend it to anyone doing it if you have enough cash, enough money to trade. Just go on spot, don't touch anything leverage related. But if you do not have a lot of money, or you don't have enough money, and you want to leverage trade, or you can't help yourself leverage trading, at least do it the right way, so they will not wreck you. And I'm going to make a video about it with the Maxi trading group. I'm gonna show them exactly how to do it. But when you're doing it, do it slowly. These guys never get liquidated. These guys, because why? They have a lot of money. You can't win it against them. They've got a lot of money. Even if this thing would come down to here, they've got a lot of money. They will not get liquidated. So what they do is they slowly DCA, 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 and they wait for when the dump happens. The dump, there was a dump yesterday. We dropped almost 4K from the high. These guys made a lot of money on that. Take profits. And when Bitcoin bounces up, and we will start accumulating at the bottom, they will start filling up their shorts again. That's the game. Get in, take the money, go out, use the money back in, etc, etc, etc. So by all means, people, retailers that have gotten wrecked yesterday on a drop, on leverage trading or whatever, it means two things. You either do not know how to trade leverage, or a second, you don't have a clue what is going on the macro markets, on the bigger picture. Because if you would, I've shared this chart maybe like 10 times the past week. If you look, oh wait a minute, those wheels are still, I was repeatedly tweeting, they are still holding the line. They are still holding the line, just like they did over here, just like they did over here, just like they did over here. And over here, they were holding the line again. They're holding the line. When I'm telling you they're holding the line, means that they are accumulating their shorts. They're not closing any shorts at these levels. And then you got a spike like this. Let me show you how that dump. When that dump happens, this is what it is. And you see this spike over here. This was the dump. And over here, they were closing their shorts. So over here, this spike that you saw over here, this is when they took profits. They closed their shorts. So we got this spike up. Bitcoin went to 34.5K. And this is they take their profits. And then they come back. And then they possibly gonna accumulate again. This is how it works. This is the game. So if you can't help yourself, you're leverage trading and you wanna become big and you wanna become great in leverage trading, you have to understand how the game is played. Because why did you think that my name is M Will Killer? Why Will Killer? Do you think that I was just sleeping and I just woke up and I thought, wait, you know what? I'm going to call myself Will Killer. No. I have been studying the whales for years, because when I was getting into crypto, I made a lot of money, but I know that same money I can lose it just as fast. So what did I do? I started studying what whales are doing, and now I'm giving you just a small example from the things that they do and how I try to read them. This is just one small example. There are a lot of other examples I will share in my next vids, but this is one of the most important clear ones that you are, guys, anyone, even a child can understand this. This is not so hard to understand. This is very easy. So there are some influencers out there that are making a lot of money and they will share their P&Ls. Look, I made 7K, 7,000% on a coin. Guys, you have to understand that there are some influencers that are FOMO style. I respect that. I respect that they are FOMO style. What I do not respect is the fact that you can lead others to do the same. Because why? These guys have a lot of money. They have a lot of money, and even if they will get wrecked, they don't care. Or they don't care, maybe they have got a lot of money. But retailers do not have a lot of money. When retailers go in and do the same and they will not hit it, then they will have a problem. Just like an important, one of the biggest ones in crypto, he shared like 2 days ago, buy Ethereum now before the Apple CEO will, because Apple is going to announce something, buy ETH now. And 1 day later, Bitcoin dropped or Ethereum dropped by I don't know how much percent, and a lot of followers have gotten totally wrecked. What did he do? I pointed out at that moment when he tweeted that, I told him, wait a minute. How can you tweet something like that? Isn't there any is there any organization in the world that protects retailers from people? This is one of the biggest crypto accounts available, and he's just tweeting buy Ethereum now. And even if you want to say that, explain people why they should buy Ethereum now. Give them an explanation, give them a chart, give them an analysis, give them that, and then at the end of the road, tell them that it's risky, that you can lose money, and that it's not for sure, and whatever. And then 2 days later, when people have gotten liquidated, then he posted a tweet like, by the way, everything I say is not financial advice. This is madness. This is really madness. I really, it gets me crazy. Okay, guys, the video is already way too long. Push the like, share the vid, repost it. They're burying us on YouTube. They're burying us on Twitter. Just like one guy told me yesterday, I'm following a lot of accounts, and your account, I've been following you for like 6 months. You share by far the best alpha out there. Please, guys, if you want to help us grow, I'm on nobody's payroll. I'm not shilling anyone. I'm not getting paid to shill whatever. All I do is for my own time and on my own money. And the only thing I ask for you guys is to share the vid, like the vid, repost. It's the only thing. It's just a click. I've got like 200, 300, 400, 500 views on my vids, and maybe 20, 30 can find the mouse button to push the like. It's really ridiculous, by the way. But if you liked the vid, by the way, if you don't like it, you can also click the button, click the unlike button that you didn't like the vid. It's also very important to me, because when I make a vid, maybe, well, this vid isn't as great as I think it is. Maybe I'm just, maybe it's just a lot of crap. Push the unlike button. I would like to know. That's how I can know what vids to make, on what topics I'm going to use. So if you don't like the vid, push the unlike button, the thumb down. So guys, again, Tradingview, by the way, almost Black Friday 70% offer. Do not use the link now. Wait until the Black Friday offer comes, and you can get a paid program for 70% less. So it's very good. But the most important is Maxi, guys. Maxi, the team is waiting for the retail fam to fill up, and so a lot is coming. Have a nice one, and bye bye.